Former Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Sri G.V. Mahavankar, 1952 to 1956, Sri M.A. Iyengar, 1956 to 1962, Sardar Hukum Singh, 1962 to 1967, Sri Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, 1967 to 1969, Sri Gurial Singh Dhillo, 1969 to 1975, Sri Boli Ram Bhagat, 1976 to 1977, Sri Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, 1977, Sri K.S. Hegde, 1977 to 1980, Sri Balaram Jakar, 1980 to 1989, Sri Robi Rai, 1989 to 1991, Sri Shivraj Patil, 1991 to 1996, Sri P.A. Sangma, 1996 to 1998, Sri G.M.C. Bal Yogi, 1998 to 2002, Sri Manohar Joshi, 2002 to 2004, Sri Somnath Chatterjee, 2004 to 2009, Srimati Meera Kumar, 2009 to 2014, Srimati Sumitra Mahajan, 2014 to 2019.